To approach a problem scientifically, you do not need a lab coat, a microscope, or a PhD. You do, though, have to apply the scientific method. Born out of the work of researchers from the 17th century onwards, the fundamental idea is that all valid theories are based on evidence, which can be collected, observed, counted, and then analysed. A methodical scientist develops a theory or hypothesis and then devises an experiment that will prove or disprove it. Once sufficient evidence has been collected, it is analysed and assessed. If the evidence contradicts the theory, the methodical scientist goes back to the beginning and comes up with a new theory. If the evidence confirms the theory, then it can be peer-reviewed by other methodical scientists working in the same field. If they approve, the theory can then be published. According to the philosopher Karl Popper, the hallmark of a good theory is not that it can be proved absolutely, but rather that it cannot be disproved. Popper's methodical scientists spend their time coming up with objections to their theories, which they can then systematically explore, assess, and refute. According to the historian Thomas Kuhn, it's a little more fuzzy. Even methodical scientists are biased, but what he calls the prevailing paradigm of social, cultural, and historical values, no theory, observation, or experiment can therefore be totally objective. Scientists, he reminds us, are only human after all.